Hello, good morning. My name is Denis Fishman. I'm an immigration attorney practicing out of Miami, Florida. And today we're going to talk about immigration for people with extraordinary abilities.
Is there a difference between the O1 and the EB1?
A lot of people ask me if there's a difference between O1 and EB1. They're similar, but the difference between them is fundamental. First of all, O1 is a non-immigrant visa, which means that people who qualify for it can come to the United States on a temporary basis, which also means that they have to leave when they're done. EB1 is an immigrant benefit. People who get EB1 visa or status get to stay in the United States permanently. They get what's called a green card, permanent resident card.
Only for the beneficiary or somebody else?
The benefit, as with every kind of visa or status in the United States, is for all members of the family, which means a spouse and unmarried children under 21.
So what are the requirements for these visas? Is it different for O1 than EB1? Are they similar? What do I need to show?
The requirements for both are quite similar. The applicants have to show national or international acclaim, which means they have to be known and recognized in their country or worldwide. All the applicants have to demonstrate is the fulfillment of 3 requirements out of the list of either 10 or 8. For instance, if you have written scholarly articles, or you have written in major publications in your country or worldwide, that can be used to satisfy one of the criteria. If you were a judge of the work of others, of your peers in the same field, that is the second requirement. You can, if there are articles written about you, excellent. Bring them to our office. We'll be happy to look at them to help you evaluate the case. If you have made significant contributions in your field, whatever that may be, the requirements are very elastic in that sense. They're not rigid. You can show equivalence and substitutes.
Is there any other requirement?
There is one significant distinction between O1 and EB1. O1 requires an agent or a sponsor. A person with extraordinary ability comes to work for the agent or comes to work for the U.S. employer and can only work for that employer. One drawback of O1 is that a spouse of an O1 cannot get employment authorization in the United States. EB1 means that an applicant can petition for himself, by himself, as long as he shows how he will benefit the United States and how he can work continuously in the same field of endeavor. If you think that you may qualify for an O1 visa or an EB1 status, but are in doubt, you may think that, well, I have 1 criteria or 2, but what do I do with the rest? You are more than welcome to send us your resume or to send us an email with your detailed information, and we'll be happy to review your case for you. Sometimes we can point you to the right direction and help you fulfill that missing criteria or criterion. Thank you for watching. The content of this video cannot be construed as legal advice and is intended for informational purposes only. Please contact us. We'll be more than happy to see how we can help you.